Hey everybody, it's Justin, Severed Books, and I am very excited to show you the new sister site that lets you control all of the sister attributes from one page, and it also lets you customize and share and combine other sisters that you create when you're logged in. So I am logged in. I'm logged in as a monthly subscriber for $1 a month. You can get these additional features. But if you're logged in and you're not subscribed, what you'll see is the interface. And let's just go through the control panel. So if you're familiar with Sister, you know that the main core body has 6 sides. There's front, there's rear, there's the attack side, hack, defend and retreat. So every time you click on one of the major core buttons, you're going to get all the attributes that active side does. So there's only one active side. There's only one side is active at a time, so it's not that difficult to manage. Like, oh, it's in attack mode. These are the 3 or 4 features that it can perform right now. And then additionally, there is HP for each side. So we're in attack mode. If it takes damage when it's in attack mode, you can adjust the HP. And when you go all the way down to 0, that side is deactivated. So bam. And then it's not accessible anymore. See, it's blanked out. If you want to increase, if it heals itself on the attack mode, you can let's see, you can heal it right there. So let's go to full health. Actually, I think this does full health. Bam! So everything's back to normal, and it can attack as it wants. And then down below here are all the turrets that you can deploy. So each one, just like the top, has its own HP, and then when you select the sides, it feeds into here. So it's in attack mode, and then the rusty flechette claymore turret has appeared out of the top, and you're ready to go. You can retract the turret if you want, or you can totally randomize with this one button the entire array of turrets down below. So right now it's 6, 1, 5, 2, 2. Let's randomize it again. It is 2, 4, 4, 4, 3, and it's showing you the combinations, the 7,776 combinations that you can create with these 5 turrets. So yeah, that is the sister that you recognize from both the Mothership and the Cyborg books that Severed Books has put out. So anybody can access this when they log in. Super cool, super fun. Where the magic really happens is when you subscribe, there's 2 things. You can go to the customization page. So I've built out a test, and I've built out the original sister for Cyborg here. So if we load this, it appears on its own unique page, and you get everything restatted for Cyborg. So let's preload everything here. Bam. You get all of this ready to go for Cyborg. Everything works the same. But let me go through these buttons here. So there's a little mouse over repair all central sides. So if let's see, let's just test that out. Go down to yoink. It's kind of, the system's catching up there. There we go. And do a little bit here and a little bit here. And so to repair all the sides all at once, ta-da, back to health. Normal, we already did this. The randomize button, which is pretty fun. This is combination 314 of that number. Let's see. This is fun, the self-destruct button. So in the sister book, there's a way for it to explode. Let's do it down to, I don't want to have you watch this for a whole minute, but when you start the sequence, when it goes down to 0, you will get a random damage for explosive, the explosive damage when it explodes. So I can't remember the range. I think it's between 20 and 50 damage when the thing blows up. So I'm going to end the sequence so we're not captive here. Here's another way. This, let's see, damage all central sides. So this, you like globally starts destroying sister, and then you can heal it up all the way there. So yeah, let's get out of the cyborg version. We'll go back to the death panel. This is just a test one that I was messing around with down here because I want to show you the super fun thing that you can do once a day as a subscriber. You can combine 2 sisters and make a brand new one. So if you made a sister and your buddy made a sister, load it up, go back into here, and you can literally randomize the, let's see, new test, randomize the sister, bam, it's combining, it worked, the new test is here, you can load it up, and now you have a hybrid of you and your friend's sister all mashed together. Super fun. You can do this once a day. I wanted to restrict it a little bit because I didn't want this being filled up with rando nonsense if it was unlimited for everybody. But one cool feature is if you don't like the combination you created that day, you can delete it, and then you get the ability to make another one that day. So this is gonna pretty much make the same one. Beep, beep, combine, ba-ba. And it worked. Baba is there, but I'm going to delete it because that's silly. Bye-bye. Let's see, the other page that you have access to when you subscribe is the customization page. So this is where you're actually making the sisters that I mentioned before. I kind of did this backwards. I should have done customization first before death panel. But you can very easily create a new sister. So here's the name of it. This is for what system it's for. Oops, underscore description. And then you're loading the image and then the properties of that side. And then additionally, you can add up to 12 turrets. So you can kind of see how, if a bunch of people are using this website, how it can compound and create almost unlimited sisters as people not only create their own, but start combining ones together. Let's see, I'm going to cancel that. And yeah, I'll just show you this super fast. You can edit. So this is that test one that we saw earlier when we were combining in the death panel. So, boom. This is the beta. To back up a tiny bit, this is the beta site, and we're adding more features, like even the combine feature I just thought of today when I was driving my kid to daycare. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to go home, create this combination option, and it's working pretty good. So, oh yeah, and also when you're logged in, you can save your, if you're playing and say your group, let's see, your group stopped for the night and the sister is down in health and blah, blah, blah. You can, even this, let's try this, all the way down, disabled. You can save and access that one later. I think you can even name it. So let's do tests. Oh, you can share it to death panel. I don't know if I'm going to keep that feature, but because I don't know how many people want to share the original sister to the death panel. Might edit that out. But yeah, here we go. Check it out. I will put the beta link in the video below, and you can give Sister a test ride. Thank you guys for checking this out.